Welcome to the 1 Minute Apologist. If you had 1 minute
Apologia.
to be able to unpack for the audience,
We interview the world's leading apologists to provide credible answers to curious questions.
Welcome to the 1 Minute Apologist. My name is Bobby Conway. I am here with Dr. Gary Habermas. Good to be with you, Dr. Habermas.
Thanks, Bobby. Good to see you again.
Well, should a Christian be surprised by suffering?
Well, that's pretty provocative. You know, when I hear something like that, my thought is that Jesus went through these same things. And I think about in the garden, sweat drops like blood. I think about in the cross, my God, why have you forsaken me? And I don't hear any Christians saying, well, God should have come down and taken him off the cross. In fact, the book of Hebrews tells us that Jesus learned obedience by the things he suffered. Now, most of us think Jesus didn't have to learn anything, but he learned obedience. Suffering did something for him that nothing else could do. In Hebrews 2, verse 10, it says he was completed by his suffering. So he learns obedience from his suffering, and he grows and is completed through his suffering. So I guess the questions I ask myself about, are we surprised? I would say, why did Jesus have to go through this? Because God didn't remove him from it. And in John 17, Jesus says, I don't ask you to take them out of the world, I just ask you to be with them. So why wouldn't we go through the same things Jesus went through? Or maybe I could say it more pointedly. Can we learn well or as much and not go through the same things he did? Or do we become completed more quickly than Jesus did? And I think the issue is, no, it must have done something for him that nothing else could do. And I think the question is, why do we think that's strange? Why should we be treated any differently than the Son of God? If God didn't take his son off the cross, why should we be removed from our little things that happen in everyday life?
Jesus even warned us we'd suffer as well.
Absolutely. And it was for a good cause, according to Scripture.
Thank you.